Hi, it's Gary at Broad Lane Leisure. Today I'm going to show you around this 2017 Lunar Quasar 462. It's a super lightweight 2-berth touring caravan with a bathroom on the back. Absolutely immaculate condition. Features the large 3 front opening windows, very generous sized gas locker, and again super easy to access. The outdoor cooking, you benefit the barbecue point. You've got access locker there, a storage locker. So walk through. So just arrived. It's absolutely immaculate condition. Absolutely immaculate. You've got the sort of 2 coloured lockers there, as you can see. It's got these huge, long, big roof light window, skylight window if you like. Loads of storage, LED lighting, night and fly screens throughout. 2 easy single beds or 1 generous double. Useful chest of drawers. You can access the space beneath the seats either from the drop down fronts or from the tops. As I pan around, I say it's an absolutely immaculate caravan. These people have just part exchanged it against something else. You've got the off-white or cream coloured lockers. You've got a useful microwave. Cooker looks like it's never been used, absolutely pristine, and it benefits not only gas but it's got the electric hot plate, worktop with matching kitchen extension, and the top there, as you can see, over the sink unit, sliding space saving door to the washroom, which I'll show you shortly. Nice rich warm colours, so it's just arrived. Immaculate condition. Somewhere to pop your TV, look, plenty of storage as you can see. I've got the Dometic easy to use fridge freezer, sliding door then to the washroom on the back. Fantastic space. You've got the loo, push button electric flush, opaque window. You've got wardrobe number 1, storage, contemporary wash basin, practical mirror. Very generous sized shower, ideal for us bigger chaps. And then you've got this secondary, slightly smaller wardrobe here as well. Look. And there you have it. It's 2017. It's a Lunar Quasar 462. It's in absolutely immaculate condition. Just arrived as a part exchanged. I was super keen to get out onto the pitch today, take some pictures, get the video taken so as I can upload it just for your enjoyment, because it's a beautiful caravan and I don't think it'll be here for long. Any questions, please call us. It's 01789 763 432. Just to reiterate, absolutely immaculate. Looks like it's just left the factory. Thank you very much.